Hi friends, we're back. And today is going to be the last lesson before we do a quiz. Now, our quiz is going to be a little different than our usual thing. What we're going to do is tomorrow, I'm going to send you a video of me reading through the quiz, and you're going to go through the quiz on your own, and you're going to go through the pictures that I've sent you. And then after you're done doing your quiz, what you're going to do is you're going to have your parents send pictures of it back to me, and then I'm going to tell you how you did on your quiz. So this is a new learning experience for us. We're going to do things a little differently than we usually do in class, but that's okay. We're learning a lot of new things now that we're at home learning, but it's okay. We're all going to get through this, and just because you're at home doesn't mean you can't learn. So we're going to do this together, all right? So I need you to really listen well because this is the last lesson before our quiz. So this lesson is called My Review. So let's get started. All right, so a review means that we're looking over what we've learned before we do our quiz. So let's look it over. Vocabulary check. Means that vocabulary means that it's the words that we've learned throughout this math unit. So tens. What does tens mean, my friend? Does tens mean 10 ones? Does tens mean 10 tens? Sorry, my friends, give me 1 second. Okay, so we're back. So we have tens. Now remember, there are three place values that we've learned about. We've learned about hundreds, tens, and ones. So the hundreds are this digit right here, our tens are the middle digit, and our ones are the last digit. So remember when we have tens, our tens go right around here. So if I have 10, my 1 is going to go here, and my 0 is going to go in the ones place. Now, tens mean that I have 10 ones. It does not mean that I have 10 tens or 100 tens. No, I have 10 ones because if I make 10 pieces, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, I have 10 all together down here, and they're 10 ones. So we're going to draw our line from 10 tens to 10 ones. Now, equal to. Which one of these is our equal to sign? This one? The alligator eating this number or the alligator eating this number? Which one is our equal to sign? I hope you said this one. Now, 100. Where does our 100 place go? Let's see. So, we're going to go back to here. Let's draw 100. Let's write 100. Okay. So we're writing 100. Now, 100 is 110 tens. What do you think, my friends? So, 100 is 10 tens because here is the hundreds place, here's the tens place. If I have 10 tens, because remember we go 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. If these are all tens, let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we have 10 tens here. So yes, 100 is 10 tens. Let's go to the next one, less than. Now remember how I said our alligator likes to eat the bigger numbers. So if the alligator is eating this side, then if the alligator, so let's pretend that we have a bigger number here, so 9, and our other number here is 7. Is 7 less than 9? I hope you said yes. So 7 is less than 9, so we know that this is our less than sign because the alligator only eats the bigger number. So this is our less than sign. Now regroup. Regroup means that we're taking one number and we're separating it, just like we did in our last lesson. We moved it around, so we broke it apart. So you see how this has 19 ones? They separated the 1 into 1 10, and they separated the 9 into 9 ones. That's called regrouping. So yes, we did learn about that. Finally, we have greater than, and our alligator loves eating the greater than. So greater than is right here. And let me erase our 7 and our 9. Ooh! I'm erasing everything but. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to go down here and we're going to do the same exact thing we've been doing this whole time. So let's count these blocks. These are tens blocks. So let's count how many tens we have. 10, 20, count with me, my friends. 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. So we have 8 tens right here because we have 80 if we counted by 10. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now let's count our ones. 1, 2, 3. So we separated the numbers, we regrouped it, and now what we're going to do is we're going to put it together as one number, and that number is going to be 83. So we counted our tens, we counted our ones, we brought it over here into numbers, and then we put it all together to make 83. Okay, let's go to the next page. Now, write the number in the number different ways. So here we have 100. Here we have 100 and a few ones. So let's do the hundreds first. We have 100 block here, so I'm going to write a 1. Then we have no tens here, no 10 blocks. So I'm going to write a 0. And then in our ones place, let's see how many we're going to do. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 ones. Now we are going to do take our number and put it all together, and it's going to be 105. We had 100s, 0 tens, 5 ones, and that makes 105. Now, what we're going to do now is we're going to go back to our hundreds chart, and we learned about that already, so let's do it. It'll also be so easy for you guys. I know it will. So we're going to count from 34 to 47. So let's find 34. Let's see. 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47. We have all the way up to 47. What number comes next, my friends? We have 47. What comes next? We can always look at our number chart and see, does 46 come next after 47? No. 46 comes before 47, so it's not 46. Is it 47? No, 47 is 47. No. What about 48? Look at that. It's 48. Now we're counting from 86 to 99, so let's change color. So we're going to find 86, which is all the way down here, and we're going to count to 99. So count with me, my friends. 86, 87, 88, 89, 90. 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99. Now, what number comes next? We know it's not 98 because 98 comes before 99. Is it 100? Let's see. Here's 99. Let's look what the next number is. It's 100. So now, what we're going to do is we're going to circle the group that shows these numbers in counting order. Now, remember what counting order is, my friends? Counting order means that it's the number that we count, the order that we counted in. So remember, I don't count 1, 6, 10. I count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So let's see if these numbers are in counting order. Let's see. 58, 59, 60, 61. Let's check on their number chart to make sure it's correct. We have 58 here, 58, 59, so let's underline it. 58, 59, 60, 61. Oh, that is in counting order. It's one nice line. Oh, I love that. I love when it comes so perfectly together. Let's try this one, though, just to make sure. We'll change the color to blue. Let's see. 60, 58, 61, 59. Ooh, is that in counting order? We have 60, 58, 61, 59. Is my blue line one nice clean line? No. Do I count 60, 58, 61, 59? No, we do not count like that, so I am not going to circle that. Now, let's read this problem together. Liz has 26 raisins in her lunch. How many 10s and 1s are in 26? Now, we're going to regroup, just like we did on the vocabulary page. We're going to separate the 2 and the 6. So what number is in the 10s place? Is it 2 or 6? Which number is in the 10s place? 2 or 6? I hope you said 2. We have 2 10s in 26. Now let's see how many 1s are in 26. 2 or 6? 6. So, in 26, there are 2 10s and 6 1s. Now we're going to do some more word problems. Brandon has 5 baskets. Each basket has 10 peanuts. How many peanuts are there in all? So I'm going to let you think about this. I'll read it again. Brandon has 5 baskets. Each basket has 10 peanuts. How many peanuts are there in all? Well, we know how to skip count, right? How to go 10, 20, 30. We know how to count by tens. We used to do that every day at our calendar. We would count by tens. Why don't we count by tens right now? I think we could do that. But we have 5 baskets. So am I going to count by tens all the way to 100? No, I don't think so. Well, let's see. Let's make a picture of our 5 baskets because that always helps. Pictures always help, my friends. So let's draw 5 baskets. I'm going to draw boxes, but you can draw baskets at home. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And let's draw 10 peanuts in each of them. But instead of drawing peanuts, I'm just going to write the number 10 so that we know. So 10, 10, 10, 10, 10. Now, that kind of looks like a 6, but you know it's a 10. Okay, so now what we're going to do is count how many peanuts we have. So let's see. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. We have 50 peanuts. Do you see how I did that, my friends? I counted all of my peanuts by adding 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10. If you need to see this again to figure out the problem, watch this video again, but also you can always ask me a question through Class Dojo, okay? So let's do this one now. Tommy has 10 marbles. Buys 10 marbles each week. How many marbles will he have in 6 weeks? So what we're going to do is we're going to do week 1, week 2, week 3, week 4, week 5, and then this will be week 6, okay? And what we're going to do is we're going to count by tens again. So the first week he bought 10 marbles. The second week he bought 10 marbles. And we're going to do the same exact thing each week, 10. So the fourth week he bought 10. The fifth week he bought 10. And then the last week he bought 10. So let's see how many he bought. Let's count them all together. So after 6 weeks, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. After 6 weeks, how many did he have? Let's see. Let's count them all together, okay? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. He bought 60 marbles. So his answer is 60. 60 marbles. And we'll circle that so that we know. Now let's read our next word problem. Allison makes 3 groups, so 3 groups of 10 muffins. So imagine a big cupcake tin, and all she has in it are 3 groups of 10 muffins. So she has 3 different cupcake tins with 10 muffins. So let's see if we can look up 3 groups of 10 muffins. Kind of like these yummy muffins. Ooh, I love muffins. So let's imagine that we have 3 groups of 10 muffins. So we have this group of muffins, this group of muffins, and this group of muffins. That's a lot of muffins. Ooh. This is making me hungry, my friends. Anyways, so they have 3 groups of 10 muffins. So let's draw our muffin tins. So 1, 2, and I'm only drawing 3 muffin tins. And you know why? Because it says 3 groups. So I know I have 1 group, 2 group, 3 groups. I do not have 10 groups. I have 10 muffins in each group, but I only have 3 groups, okay? Now what I'm going to do is, at home you can draw muffins in your tins, but here it's going to take a while to draw 10 muffins. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to do the same thing I've done and draw 10 in each. So I have 10 here, I have 10 here, and I have 10 here. Now, let's see. We're going to count how many muffins we have in all. So, 10 plus, let's see if I can make a plus sign, plus 10 plus 10 equals, well, let's count. 10, 20, 30. So she has 30 muffins. But that's not my final answer. Let's see what else the word problem says. It says she also makes 7 more muffins. So if I have 30 muffins here and she makes 7 more muffins, am I going to add 7 muffins or am I going to take away 7 muffins? Add. We're going to add 7 muffins. Now, how many muffins does she make in all? So we have 30, we have 7. 30 plus 7 equals? Well, I can go in my head, okay, big number in my head, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37. I can do that. Or what I can do is I can say, ooh, There's 0 ones here. There's 7 ones here. 0 plus 7 equals 7. And there's 3 tens here. There's no tens here. So I know to put the 3 here. And look at that, 37. Now let's do our test practice and we'll be done with our lesson for today. So read the numbers. What number is missing? 96, 97, blank, 99, 100, 101. I'm going to read the answers to you and you're going to do this on your own. 96, 97, 95, 99, 100, 101. Is it 95? Or 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 101? Or 96, 97, 102, 99, 100, 101? Or is it 96, 97, 104, 99, 100, 101? Remember, this has to be in counting order. So we can't pick something that's bigger than 99, and we can't pick something that's smaller than 97. What comes after 97 but before 99? Think really hard. Remember, the tens place should not change. We're going to keep it as a 9, but the ones place should change. So 6, 7, blank, 9. The choice is yours, my friends. Okay, so that's the end of our lesson today. Tomorrow you'll be doing a quiz in math. I'm very excited for that. You're going to do awesome. So just remember that I miss you all and stay safe. Remember to wash your hands a lot and have fun at home, but remember to be doing your lessons. Remember to be looking at our lessons here. So we have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday's lessons, and today's lesson. And also remember that you can always find the plans for this week. We have it in English, Spanish, and Armenian. And to always check for announcements in the morning and at nighttime on Class Dojo. Okay, my friends, I will talk to you later. Bye-bye.